Hey guys, today we are testing this. This is a charging pad designed for your car. Of course, you can also use it at home. It's a simple device. You need to place it somewhere in your car, in a convenient space for your phone. Connect the USB connector to your USB charger or USB outlet, and whenever you place your phone over here, it will charge. Of course, your phone needs to be capable of charging wirelessly. Okay, so right now we are in Mitsubishi Outlander, and there's a nice space over here which is big enough to fit iPhone 11. So I believe it will be a great spot for this charging pad. So you can go with a easy installation. So place it somewhere in your car, then connect it to USB outlet, and you are pretty much done. This is a simple solution, but if you want to go further, if you have time, if you have skill and proper tools, you can hardwire this to your fusebox and hide all those wires, so the installation is seamless. So right now I'm going to turn on the ignition. We are going to check if this pad actually works, if it's going to charge iPhone and Samsung S10. So we have two devices to check if it works properly, and then I'm going to try to install it somehow in this car, so we don't have those wires visible, and also the 12-volt outlet is not taken by this device all the time, so we don't have to sacrifice the only 12-volt outlet in this car to make this charging pad work. Okay, let me just grab the keys. It's on. There's an indicator LED over here, very small but visible. So I believe right now if I place the phone over here, it starts charging. Okay, let's try with the Samsung, and it's charging as well. Okay, so I think that this device will work over here just fine. Before we go any further, let me just show you that there's a rubber surface over here, anti-slip surface, so we can have this basically at the top of your dashboard if you are not afraid to have your phone over there. But this will help you, position it correctly. Also, those two parts at the end can be trimmed to better fit your car's interior. Okay, so let's try to hardwire it to this car. I have my set of tools over here. I also have this fusetap with USB connector, so we can easily tap into 12-volt power in the car. Okay, this USB cable extends to about 1 meter. It's 1 meter long approximately, and it's more than enough to go to the cabin fuse box, which is over here on the left side in this car. Okay, I would call it a semi-professional installation. I was not able to remove the center console trim to hide all those cables. It's too cold right now. I'm just afraid that those plastics will break when I try to pull them from the car. But I would say that it's good for now. Maybe I'll try to fix this later this year when it's a little bit warmer. Okay, so we have the charging pad over here. We have some wiring visible. The wiring is going all the way over here to the cabin fuse box. We have the USB cable plugged over here, and I've used a fuse tab to connect to the 12-volt outlet fuse. So this charging pad will work only if the ignition is on. So let's turn the ignition on. You can see this small LED over here, the orange one. This means that the pad is already active, and right now, as soon as I place the phone over here, it will just charge, and this LED will go blue, telling us that the device is charging. And that's pretty much it. very simple installation. All you need to do is find a convenient place for this charging pad, connect it to USB outlet, or find a fuse that you want to use to power it, and that's it. Place your phone and it will charge up. So in the description below this video you will find some technical specification about this device if you are interested in technical details. Also there's a link to an online store, to Banggood website, if you want to buy one of those for your car or your home. Also there's a discount code if you want to pay a little less for it. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple installation tutorial and product review, and see you soon.